What's up guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how to drill a hole in your tile. And we have this air conditioner register. It's a 3-inch hole that we have to drill. And these are pretty hard to pain in the ass to do. So what we're going to be using is our Rubi system. Forget the name, it's just Rubi hole system. This will come up. And here's what it looks like. Basically the whole setup in here is all your different bits. The bit we're going to be using today is our 3-inch bit right here, because that will fit nicely for that. And the way it works, basically you have this little pump that we're going to fill up with water, and then there's this tube that attaches to that, like so. Come on, tube. It'll attach to this side, and then we have one of these suction cups. So the suction cup will go on the tile, like so. Now that's on there nice. This other end of the tube will go onto here. There we go. So that's gonna go onto there. And then our drill bit is going to go right in there. And then as we're drilling, this keeps it nicely centered. And we're gonna prime the pump. And then you kind of lock it in like this, and it's going to start squirting out the water a little bit right through there. And this way we don't have to keep squirting, we don't have to keep removing this, putting it back. So we'll be using our Hilti drill for that. Go over here. Lock that in, and that's where it's gonna go. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go just fill this up, and then we'll come back, and our hole has to go right back here. Bang. So the hole's gonna go there. Once we get through the tile, we're just gonna use our regular hole saw bit to go through the subfloor as well. So it's pretty easy. I've never used this system before, and I'm excited to try it out. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So that goes here. This guy come over the top right there. Okay. Going to lock this down. That's good. We're going to prime the pump, like so. Then we're going to go with this guy. This is a clutch-driven drill, so it was giving me anytime it would kind of cork a little bit of it. All right, but for a hole like that, that drilled almost through the frickin' plywood too. Play that. Okay, come on Billy, there you go. All right, so that was the first time us using this Rubi system. Honestly, it worked out pretty nice. I think next time I would use a vacuum to just have next to me to suck up the water and then have this consistently running. Also, I'm going to switch over to a corded clutchless drill, just because it can kind of power through a little bit easier than my, the Hilti clutch drill. And then that whole thing took like 5 minutes, probably less, but that's trying to figure out all the camera stuff also. I think I could have those holes drilled in like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes if I had no if I could just like work, right? So definitely, I would recommend it. At least try it out. I can see a huge benefit to when you're doing this on the wall, because you can suction this cup right on the wall, you know, prime the pump, and then this can rest right on there. So I think it's pretty cool, and definitely worth it. And what's cool also with this, it's got basically holes for your smaller drill, like for your smaller holes as well. I don't think that does it. But you know, if you have your finger bits and things like that, they can fit in there as well and keep you steady there. So I hope that helped. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe.